Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. So a little bit of fun today. We have an Firth lock, which I've heard of in the past but never ever seen one. So I had this one turn up. I think it came from Apache Lock Sport. I think it was in a bundle he sent me. Could be wrong, correct me if I am. But I've never tried one of these until today. I thought I'd grab this one out. We have no key for it. So I had a quick little play with it earlier and I thought we'd have a little bit of fun and see what's inside it. So I'm going to start off at the back and just turn this a fraction more. And right, a little click at the back there, number 5. Nothing really happening with the rest. 2, a tiny little click on 2. 3, and there we go. So not exactly a taxing pick, so I thought I'd have a little play, and rather than picking it, and as is typical, this was working first time every time earlier. There we go. So just as quick, and then we'll the quickest way. And that's just about every time. There we go. So nice bit of fun working out it was doing all that, but I'm not holding breath for much inside it. But let's have a quick look anyway, just for the hell of it. Right. There's the clip. And a follower. There we go. Pins at the top, not that it really matters too much. As we can see. Oh, sorry, I forgot to move the camera. Not an awful lot to pick there, is there? Standard, 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 standard. And standard. And we have a standard, and again, and again, and oh, we have a spool at the back. So still not particularly exciting, nothing special anywhere else. In fact, hang on a second. There is a definite lip. So let's see if we can see that. Don't know if that light's good enough. There we go, I think we just see it there. So we have counter milling on the core, all standard pins apart from one, and that's not actually a bad looking pin either. A tapered short spool. So let down by its bitting and no more security pins. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.